Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to remove member access on Wix website. So if you're working on a website on Wix.com and if you need to remove member access, just watch this video and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Wix.com. And once when you log in, you can see that you will be redirected here on this homepage or dashboard, you can say that. And here are some tasks that Wix.com has told us to do, which includes the username of our website, the domain. That if you want to buy a domain, if you want to make our website go live, then we can do that. Or what we can do is we can continue on working on our website. So it's right here. This is the design mode, the editor mode. And here, now, if we want to work on the restrictions, what do we need to do? We need to click on home right here, and then we need to go down on manage pages. Now, once we do that, we can see that we'll be redirected here on the settings tab, which is right here. From here, what do we need to do? We need to click on home on these three dots. And then what do we need to do is we need to click on settings right here. Now here on the setting tab, what do we need to do? We need to click on permissions, and here we have the option right here of the restriction, like who can access this page. Either everyone can access this page or those who have the passwords, but for that we need to set a password for this page, this specific page. I'm not talking about the entire website, but this specific page. And the third option is site members only. And even in that, we can do further segregation such as all members or specific members or members with roles or site collaborators. We can manage that later on, but this is the basic know-how of how to do it. So that's how you tweak the restrictions and allow specific people to access specific parts of the website. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.